Good morning everyone. How are you all? So today in this video, we will learn how to find the area between two rectangles. And this is exercise 20th B, chapter 20, mensuration. Right? So in this exercise, we will learn how to find the area between two rectangles. This is the question number 1 from exercise 20th B. So question 1 is, a rectangular grassy plot is 75 meter long and 60 meter broad. It has a path of width 2 meter all around it on the inside. Find the area of the path first and the cost of constructing it at rupees 125 per meter square. Got it? So first, for these questions, first of all, you have to make a figure according to the given information. So here, first, there is a plot which is in the shape of a rectangle. So first, make a rectangular plot. Okay? And let's name it A, B, C, D. And which is dimensions are 75 meter long and 60 meter wide. And it has a path of width 2 meter all around it on the inside. So it has a path of width 2 meter. And inside this plot, here is a path of width 2 meter. It means this one is the path. Okay? And whose width is 2 meter all around it. So here 2 meter. And here is a width 2 meter. It has also a width of 2 meter. Okay? All around it. Now what we have to do? First of all, we have to find the area of the path. So we have to find the area of this path. Okay? And let's name it the inner rectangle, which is PQRS. So how can we find the area of this path? First of all, what we have to do? First, we find the area of the outer rectangle. Right? It means this. And then we can easily find the area of this inner rectangle. And when we subtract the area of this inner rectangle from the area of the outer rectangle, then we get the area of this path. Okay. So first of all, first find area of A, B, C, D, which means outer rectangle. And the area of rectangle, formula is length into breadth. Here length is 75 and breadth is 60. So when we multiply, then we get 4500 meter square. Right? Now, but it is not given the dimensions of the inner rectangle. But we can easily find it because we know that here is a path of width 2 meter. Right? And all around this rectangle. So here PQ, when we subtract 2 plus 2 from 75, then we'll get the length of the inner rectangle. So first, length of PQ, we can easily find by subtracting 4. 2 plus 2 from this side and this side. So 2 plus 2, 4. So then we'll get 71 meter. And breadth of, you can write PQRS. So, QR, we can easily find when we subtract 2 plus 2. It means when we subtract 4 from 60, then we will get breadth of this PQRS. So, this is the length and this one is the breadth. Now, we can find the area of PQRS, you can say inner rectangle, which is 71 into 56. Then we will get here 70. And here 56, so we will get here 3976 meters square. Okay? And but we have to find first the area of the path. So we can easily find the area of the path. So area of path is equals to area of ABCD minus area of PQRS. Right? So when we subtract 3,976 from 4,500, then we'll get here 524 meters square. This is the area of the path. But we have to also find the cost of constructing it at rupees 125 per meter square. So we can also write here, if the rate of constructing the path is given, right? So here rate is given, rate of constructing the path which is given, which is rupees 125 per meter square. So total cost is equals to this 524 into 125. Okay, because we have to find according to this area of the path. So when we multiply it, then we'll get rupees 65,500. This is the answer. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Now let's solve question number 4. A rectangular grassy lawn measuring 38 meter by 25 meter has been surrounded externally by a 2.5 meter path. Calculate the cost of graveling the path at the rate of rupees 120 per meter square. This question is same as like question number 1, but here there is a difference. Here you can see rectangle, lawn is in the shape of a rectangle, so first make rectangle and name it ABCD, right? And it has dimensions given 38 meter long and 25 meter broad. But it has been surrounded externally. This rectangular lawn has been surrounded externally by 2.5 meter wide path. So it means, let's take here, this distance is 2.5 meters. So we have to find we have to make all around it outside of the inner rectangle. Here is a path of 2.5 meter. Okay, from this side and this side as well. So this is the path, but there is a path outside of this lawn. And we have to find the area of this path again, right? Like in question number 1. So name it here EFGH. So first find the area of this inner rectangle, area of this ABCD. So area of ABCD, because dimensions are given 38 into 25, so 38 into 25. So when we multiply it, then we'll get here 950. So 950 meter square. Okay, this is the area of ABCD. And first of all, we have to find the length of this EF and the breadth of this FG. It means we have to find first length and breadth. So here we know that there is a path outside of this inner rectangle which is a width of 2.5 meter. So what we have to do now in that case, for finding the length of the outer rectangle, we have to add this 2.5 and 2.5 in 38. Okay. So first, length of EFGH 38 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. Okay. So 2.5 plus 2.5, which is 5. So 38 plus 5, 43. So 43 meter is the length of the outer rectangle, and the breadth, we can also find the breadth as well. So breadth is equals to 25 plus 2.5, 2.5. So 25 plus 2.5, 2.5. This is the difference in this question when we compare it from the question number 1. So here 5 and 30, 25 plus 5, which is 30 meter. Now we are having the length and the breadth of the outer rectangle. So we can easily find the area of the outer rectangle. Now the area of EFGH, which is equal to 43 into 30. So here we will get 1290 meters square. but we have to find the area of this outer path, right? So in that case, we can write here area of path is equals to now area of this EFG minus area of this ABCD. So area of EFGH minus area of ABCD. Okay. So area of EFGH is 1290 and area of ABCD is 950. So what we get here? 340 meter square. Okay. Now we have to find the rate as well. So rate of constructing the path which is given according to per meter square, rupees 120. 120 per meter square, but area of the path is 340. We already have got. So total cost is equals to 340 into 120. So here we will get 40800 rupees. This is the cost. So we have to write here rupees. 40,800 is the answer. Okay. So like question number 1 and question number 4, you can easily solve the remaining questions from question number 1 to question number 10. Okay. So these questions are similar as question number 1 and 4, but there is difference that some questions are given in the shape of a rectangle or some questions are given in the shape of a square. So if plot is given in the shape of a rectangle, so make a figure in the shape of rectangle, and when it's a square, so first of all you have to make a figure of a square. Okay. And you already have known that about the area of rectangle and the area of a square. So area of rectangle is length into breadth and area of a square is side into side. Okay, so you have to apply the formula. But question number 11 is different from the other questions. So let's solve question number 11 here. A rectangular lawn 70 meter by 50 meter has two roads, each 5 meter wide, running through its middle, one parallel to its length and the other parallel to its breadth. Okay. So first make figure. In all these questions, first of all read question carefully and make a figure first, then solve every question. Okay. So in that question, rectangular lawn here, rectangular lawn is here and dimensions are 70 meter and 50 meter. Okay. So this length is 70 meter and breadth is 50 meter, and name it here first A, B, C, D. Okay. Now it has two roads, each width of 5 meter, running through its middle, one parallel to its length. So first of all you have to make a road of width 5 meter but one parallel to its length. So parallel to its length, it means this road is like this. Okay. And this width is given, which is 5 meter. And the other road which is parallel to its breadth, it means parallel to its breadth. So, and these roads running through its middle, in the middle of this rectangle. So this road is parallel to its breadth. This is another road, and let's name it again first. This one, this point is EFGH. And this road, name it like IJKL. Okay, now here we can see, and this width is 5 meter also. But you can see here, we got this square area, square path. So name it also. So here MNOP. Okay. Now we have to find the cost of constructing the roads at rupees 120 per meter square. To find the cost of constructing the roads, first of all we have to find the area of these roads. Got it? So how can we find it, the area of these roads? Because here you can see, first find the area of this road EFGH. So area of EFGH EFGH. Length into breadth. So area length of this road is HG, or you can say EF. So HG, which is equal to AB. So we can easily write here length is 70 meter. And breadth is, this is the length and this is the breadth. And this road is given which is 5 meter wide. So it means this one is the breadth of this road. So here 5. When we multiply, then we'll get here 350 meter square. This is the area of EFGH. And now we have to find the area of the another road, which is IJKL. So area of IJKL. Again, this road is in the shape of a rectangle. So it means the area is length into breadth. So the area is length into breadth. So here length is this, which is 5 meter wide. So 5 is the length and the breadth is this. So this is equal to the breadth of the outer rectangle, and which is 50 meter. Okay. So here in that case we have to multiply this 5 by 50, then we'll get the area of the IJKL, area of this road. So here we'll get 250 meter square. But you can see in these roads, this part is common to both the roads. So first of all, we have to find the area of this common part, which is MNOP. Because this is in the shape of a square and it has length 5 meter and width 5 meter. So it means area of MNOP, which is equal to 5 into 5, it means 25 meter square. Because this part is common to both the roads, so we have to first find the area of these roads. We have to subtract this part from the area of these roads. So area of the roads, how can we find it? First, add this area of EFGH and IJKL. So area of EFGH plus area of IJKL. And we have to subtract this part. So area of MNOP, because this part is common between these two roads, right? So now put this 350 plus 250 minus 25. So here we'll get 600 minus 25. It means we'll get 575 meter square. This is the area of the road. Right, now we have to find the cost of constructing these roads. Right, rate is given according to 120 per meter square. So it means we can easily find the total cost of this road. Total cost of constructing these roads, we have to multiply this 120 by 575. So we'll get here 69,000 rupees. This is the answer. So this question is different from the question number 1. Other questions, here we have to, you always remember this, we have to subtract this common part from these rows. Okay, because one more question is given like this, question 14. Question number 14, part 2nd. Both the questions are same. There is a difference that this question is given in the shape of a rectangle, but question number 14, part 2nd, this is given in the shape of a square. Okay, so we have to now apply the formula of area of a square in question number 14, part 2nd, and both the questions are similar, right? So you have to always remember that to find the area of these roads, we have to subtract this common part. Okay, and then we can easily find the total cost as well and area of the two roads. Now let's solve one more question from this exercise, question number 15. So in question number 15, we have to find the area of shaded region. Okay, so first, because this figure is already given in this question, so first write, name all the shape of these rectangle. So here first this shape, this is in the shape of a rectangle, so first name it. So let's take here A, B, C, D points, right? And here E, F and G. Okay. Now, to find the area of this shaded region, first of all, we have to find the area of this rectangle AEFG. Dimensions are already given. So, area of AEFG. Okay, which is equal to length into breadth. Length is 24 and breadth is 19. So, then we'll get here 4, 5, 6, right? 4, 5, 6 meters square. And also we have to find the area of this rectangle ABCD, right? ABCD. So when we area of ABCD, you can see length is not given of this rectangle, but here the outer length is given. The length of the outer rectangle is given, which is 24, and this distance is also given, which is 4 meter. So it means when we subtract this 24 from 24, then we'll get the length of this side. So here 24 minus 4, which is equal to 20. So we can also write here length AB and breadth BC. So AB, which is equal to 24 minus 4, and BC is given 16.5. So here 20 into 16.5. Okay. So when we multiply it, then we'll get here 330 meters square. Okay. Now we can easily find the area of the shaded region. So area of shaded region is equal to this 456 minus 330. When we subtract it, then we'll get here 126 meters square. This is our answer. Okay. So like this you can easily solve the remaining part of this question, and I have already sent the PDF if you have any doubt. So you can take help from that PDF. Thank you.